morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Thursday, March 12th. The euro declined 1.30% against the US dollar and closed at 1.0551. Yesterday, the ECB President Mario Draghi remained optimistic about the economic revival in the euro economy and backed the central bank's decision of launching the massive program of quantitative easing, which started 2 days back. He also assured that the asset purchase program will protect the Eurozone countries from the Greek crisis. In the US, mortgage applications registered a drop of 1.30% on a weekly basis in the week ended 6th of March 2015. The pair is expected to find support at 1.0437, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.0364. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.0641, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.0771. Trading trends in the euro today are expected to be determined by Germany's CPI data scheduled in a few hours. Additionally, investors will keep a close eye on the US advanced retail sales data scheduled later today. The British pound fell 0.89% against the US dollar and closed at 1.4935, following dismal industrial as well as manufacturing production data in the UK. Industrial production in Britain unexpectedly slid 0.1% on a monthly basis in January, compared to market expectations of a 0.2% gain. Additionally, the nation's manufacturing production contracted 0.5% MOM in January, reversing market forecasts of an advance of 0.2% and following a rise of 0.1% recorded in December, thus denting investor optimism over UK's economic outlook. The pair is expected to find support at 1.4847, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.4768. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5052, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5178. Going forward, investors await the release of Britain's total trade balance data, scheduled in a few hours. Additionally, the Bank of England Governor Mark Carney's speech, scheduled later today, would be closely monitored by the market participants. The US dollar strengthened 0.27% against the Japanese yen and closed at 121.43. Data just released showed that Japan's consumer confidence index edged up to a level of 40.7 in February. Overnight data indicated that the Business Survey Index, the BSI, of large manufacturing industries in Japan rose 2.40% in the first quarter 2015. The index had registered a rise of 8.10% in the prior quarter. Meanwhile, Japan's Tertiary Industry Index advanced 1.40% MOM in January, while market expectations were for the index to climb 0.50%. The pair is expected to find support at 121.28, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 120.94. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 121.83, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 122.03. Meanwhile, investors look forward to Japan's industrial production data, scheduled in the early hours of tomorrow for the further cues. The Australian dollar weakened 0.34% against the US dollar to close at 0.7605. Early morning data showed that unemployment rate in Australia eased to 6.3% in February, from more than a 12-year high of 6.4% recorded in the preceding month. Additionally, number of employed people in the nation rose by 15.60k in February, higher than market anticipations of an advance of 15.00k. In other economic news, consumer inflation expectation in Australia dropped to 3.2% in March. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7556, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 0.7521. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7629, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7668. Gold prices traded lower by 0.69% against the US dollar at $1153.90 per ounce, on the back of a broad strength in the greenback. Yesterday, gold holdings in the SPDR Gold Trust narrowed to 753.04 tons from its previous level of 756.32 tons. The pair is expected to find support at 1143.80, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1136.50. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1161.10, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1171.10. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market information, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options, and more, covering a wide range of markets including energy, metals, indices, and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate app, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day.